Hello and welcome to Powerful PowerPoint. In this session, I'll be covering formulas. I'm going to show you how you can use formulas in PowerPoint. Now, you might be wondering, why will I need to know how to use formulas in PowerPoint? And here it is very useful, especially when you need to create dummy or template files and you need to put in dummy or template text to kind of show the structure of how the file should be filled in. Now, there are two ways you can do this, and you might be able to see them on the left-hand side. One of them is having the text being produced in Latin using lorem, short for lorem ipsum, which you may be familiar with, or the second one, which is more short for a different word, RAND, which is short for random, and I will show you those now. Now, with lorem, it's a little bit more restricted in what you can do. So the way you would write the formula is as you would write one in Excel. So you do equals lorem, open your brackets, and then you'll just close them immediately, and then you'll hit enter, and you'll get your dummy text. Now, if you need it to produce more, you can either do the same and keep doing it, or you can then copy and paste after tidying up the text. Now, moving on to the random text. Now, this is written in English, and you can either do it the same way you do the lorem, which is just in equals rand, open and close brackets, and hit enter. Then, as you see, we've got the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, being reproduced. Now, if you want to specify how many paragraphs or sentences in there you need, you can do that with rand, but you cannot do that with lorem. And I can show you how you do that here. So say I want 6 paragraphs of 2 sentences. We can do that by doing rand, opening the brackets, and the first number you put in will be related to the paragraphs, so 6. Then I'm going to do a comma, and then I'm going to do 2 for the number of sentences. So it's paragraphs first, sentences second. You can think about it like the alphabet. P comes before S, so the number of paragraphs will always be the first number, the number of sentences will be the second number. And now, as you can see, we have 6 paragraphs, each with just 2 sentences. You can obviously make it a bigger paragraph or a smaller paragraph. That is totally up to you. Those numbers are customizable. Stay tuned for more powerful PowerPoint.